When people see Grace Legacy Academy, two opposite stories are easy to tell. One says AI built everything. The other says AI was only a typing tool. And I built everything alone. Neither is accurate. ChatGPT and Codex made substantial contributions to the architecture, documentation, implementation, testing, editing, production assets, and speed of the build. I supplied the mission, source material, product decisions, boundaries, approvals, and responsibility for what reached the learner. The honest answer is both. AI built real parts of the system, and I remained responsible for the whole. ChatGPT helped create structured briefs, workflows, curriculum organization, editorial revisions, governance explanations, and continuity across a very large body of work. Codex inspected repositories, implemented features, repaired defects, revised files, documented changes, and tested whether the platform behaved as intended. That contribution was real. It saved time, expanded capacity, and made work possible that would have been much slower or financially out of reach through a conventional team. Giving the tools accurate credit does not require giving them authority they never possessed. The tools did not bring the Grace Legacy mission, the R3 framework, the Wounded but Wiser journey, the curriculum, or the lived experience behind the work. They did not independently know which values were non-negotiable, which information had to remain private, or which shortcuts would damage the educational model. They could reason from context. They could not become the source of that context. My responsibility began before the first output. I chose the problem, supplied the documents, defined the audience, established the vocabulary, set the boundaries, and decided what counted as complete. I also determined which tool received each task, what information it could use, what remained local, and where the process stopped for human review. Then I reviewed what came back. I approved some recommendations, revised others, rejected features, corrected language, tested user flows, and required work to be redone when it did not match the source or intended behavior. Sometimes the AI caught my mistake. Sometimes I caught its mistake. Sometimes implementation revealed that the original idea itself needed to change. Final authority is not ceremonial. It is the repeated practice of deciding what is accurate, safe, aligned, useful, and ready. Responsibility also includes the consequences. If a feature confuses a learner, misrepresents the curriculum, exposes information, or fails in production, the AI does not carry that consequence. I do. AI assistants can distribute labor. It cannot distribute moral or operational accountability. The clearest description is this: AI materially expanded execution, and I remained the accountable founder. Responsible collaboration gives honest credit without surrendering authority. In the next video, I will bring the entire process together and show how I built Grace Legacy Academy with ChatGPT and Codex from beginning to end.